Hey everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a summery bronze look, and just excuse the lips. I just did a video where I tried a TikTok trend, so just completely ignore the lips. Just focus on the eyes. That's the main part of this video. So anyways, I'm going to be starting off with, oh lovely, my makeup brushes are still wet. Cool. Just want to let everybody know out there, super pro tip, like, let your makeup brushes dry in advance. Don't be like me and do it at the last minute. Love it. Anyways, so just gonna let these dry for a bit. So now that I let them dry for a little bit, by little bit I mean like 3 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and start this look. So I'm basically just going to be using the colors from, oh god, I'm all over the place today. So I'm gonna be using basically the colors from this line right here. All bronze in that section, as you would suspect, since I just said this is a bronze summery look, so don't mind me all over the place today. So I'm just gonna tap that for any excess fallout, and I'm just gonna go ahead and dust that all over my lid, just as a starting base. It's so hard to go in with a big brush and start using these colors because they're all in like little rectangles. So I'm just gonna show like using it right now. It's like this instead of like a circle where you have like big surface area, but oh well. So I always find that the base rarely shows up, but it just sets the look, I find. So wow, my lips are super dry after doing that. Oh god. Anyways, okay. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and, as you can see, I use this color. I'm just gonna zoom in closer. I use this color a lot. It's very pigmented, and it's a super gold color. I love it so much. I'm just gonna go ahead and work that into my crease. But it's all good. It's all about experimenting, trying new things. This side always terrifies me because it never looks as good as the left eye, so I'm gonna try to do something different today where I kind of extend it out a little bit, the color. Oh, so gorgeous, this color. I love the bronze. The lips are just still completely throwing me off. Now I'm gonna go ahead with this brush here I just used for the base. I'm going to just literally go down the line. I'm gonna darken it. So this is the third one. I wish I was this tan all the time. I'm so excited for summer. And with the weather lately, it certainly feels like summer is coming very soon. The first day of summer is this month, so a little celebration. I'm going to take this color right here. Kind of going to like wing it out a little bit. Since the brush didn't even fully dry, so I have the opportunity to just kind of use an eyeliner now. Oh my god, can you guys tell that like eyeliner is not my thing? I'm gonna fix it though, so. I kind of just wanted to do something a little different. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it out a little bit better. Especially right here. Eyeliner is definitely not my specialty, but it's okay. It's to be fair, it's eyeshadow that I'm using, so it's kind of difficult to do. So anyways, now that I just randomly did that, I'm going to take this angled brush here and I'm going to take the darkest here. Just gonna go ahead and line it below the lash line. It's kind of cute. I never do a winged eyeliner ever, so it's different. It's not your typical eyeliner look, but you know, I'm gonna call it my liner look, so it's okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just going to take a very light color. Any light, very light color will do, a neutral color will do. And I'm just gonna dust it just below my brow bone there. I actually like the way this look turned out. It's cute, I think. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take this color right here and I'm just gonna go ahead and pack it on the lid. Wow, this color is very, very pigmented. I'm gonna take a dark brown in the outer corner of my eye. Area, and I'm gonna blend that out, don't worry. I kind of just wanted like a darker look in there. Ironically enough, I blended it out on this side and it's like completely disappeared. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add more. I feel like I'm the type of person that just doesn't like go with what everybody else is doing, like the way that they do makeup. I kind of just do my own thing, and like if it works out, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't. You know, it is what it is. And I say that as I just did like 2 TikTok trends, but you know, like I like to try new things and see if it works. And this look kind of worked, kind of didn't, but mind you, I'm kind of using like a half damp brush because I didn't want to wait for it to fully dry. I'm a little bit impatient right now. I just want to do this video. I'm too excited to do this look, so I feel like one side is really nice and the other one is like okay, and we all know which one that is at this point. I've talked about it so many times, which eye always turns out better, but it's definitely proven at this point. But I ended up kind of like softening out the line and just attaching it to the liner anyways, so I think it turned out alright. Okay, so that is the end of this look. I hope you guys like, and if you did like this video and subscribe for more content. I'll see you in my next video.